Well, youth sports in Kansas officially began this Memorial Day weekend. Friday, the state entered phase 2 of its reopen plan. KMBC 9's Brian Johnson reports on the added precautions in place as players take the field.
Men down. Okay, so it's been a while, right, since we played. There you go, good. Give yourself space in between each girl. Make sure you're not close to each other.
For youth and team sports, it's time to step up to the plate. At the Olathe girls softball fields, teams are practicing. Many competition games are scheduled in less than 2 weeks.
This is what kids are made to do, and we're excited to get back on the field, with all the new guidelines that we have.
I'm glad that we got a chance to play.
Things will be different this season.
We'll probably learn as we go.
There are no high fives, fewer spectators, and less shared equipment.
Removing bleachers, and so you have to bring your own chairs.
There's more social distancing.
Space out a little bit, girlies.
More cleaning and sanitizing.
No sunflower seeds. That's the one no one wants to hear about. It seems silly, but at the same time, anything that's being spit from your mouth, not a great idea right now.
Tori Blake of Midwest Sports Production says the 15-person limit doesn't come into play because people are distanced on the field, but everyone must respect the rules.
We're all kind of in this together, and if we respect it and look at it as a privilege, then hopefully they can continue to do it.
Athletes are all for it. Many haven't been on the field since January.
Softball's kind of my life. Guess just kind of getting to play with the seniors this year who obviously didn't have a high school season.
It means everything.
It's very exciting that I get to see my friends.
Playing, it's a privilege, not a right. And so we want people to come out and do it responsibly.
In Johnson County,
Go all the way home.
Brian Johnson, KMBC 9 News.
Well, Midwest Sports Productions will host the games of the season on June 5th. About 300 teams playing at 4 different venues. Normally, Summerall Baseball and Fast Pitch ends in July, and this year they'll end in August. Here are the other things included in the modified Phase 2. State-owned casinos, bowling alleys, and movie theaters can open. Gatherings of 15 or fewer people are also allowed. Bars, entertainment venues, festival, and large summer camps remain closed. Phase 3 could start June 8th, but Governor Kelly has already said that date could get pushed back. The top health official in Kansas says just because more businesses are reopening doesn't mean we should relax our efforts to stop the spread of COVID-19. He says wearing masks is crucial.
There's a lot of dispute about masks, but I think what's particularly critical for people to remember is when you're outside without a mask, you don't necessarily control your world. You don't necessarily control who's going to be on the elevator with you and cough or sneeze. It's really important to be able to take control, and one of the ways you do that is with a mask.
On the Missouri side, swimming pools and spray parks will not be open this summer. Officials with the KC Parks and Rec Department says it's the best decision for the community. In Kansas, Overland Park, Prairie Village, and Roland Park have all made the same decision to keep public pools closed. Kansas is reporting 419 new cases and 7 new deaths in its first update since Wednesday. Health officials had warned we would see higher numbers as more testing becomes available and counties catch up in reporting. 2 southwestern counties, Ford and Finney, have the most cases in the state. Both have reported outbreaks at meat packing facilities. Missouri is reporting 218 new cases and 10 new deaths. The state is reporting living facility outbreaks in Jackson, Cass, Clay, and Platte counties. Well, supporters of expanding Medicaid in Kansas are unhappy this morning. That's because the plan to expand the program was unexpectedly defeated during that long 24-hour final day of the legislature. They say some Republicans let expansion get linked to a push to restore some Kansas abortion restrictions. Activist Reverend Sarah of Topeka says they're ignoring the will of the citizens and hopes they pay for it.
Who do they think citizens actually are in Kansas? Apparently, many of us don't count in their eyes. And I hope we prove them wrong in November.
Medicaid expansion is on the ballot in Missouri this year. The vote will either be in August or November. That choice will be made next week by the governor.